what have I taken away? So I've got several things to follow up with James Moose on. That will be my main takeaway, particularly with regards to our Salesforce status and the extent to which that can be influenced or whether or not it's backed up. Our auditing of key suppliers and making sure that what their backup plans are in circumstances where they act as a vulnerability because they are either something we rely on singly and don't have an immediate transfer across to somebody else or something along those kind of lines. So yeah, lots of follow-up points for me in terms of our breach readiness.